Hello student, today we will do question number 2 and 3 from exercise 3B, Concise Mathematics class 10. So without a further ado, let's get started. See question number 2. A man buys 75 shares, 7500 rupees shares. Number of shares is equal to 75. Nominal value of one share is equal to rupees 100. Paying 9% dividend means dividend on one share is equal to 9 rupee 9. 9% means in 100 9 rupees. Rupees 9. He buys share at such a price that he gets 12% of his money. Means 9 is 12% of market value of one share. So at what price did he buy? So let market value of one share be X. So 12% we will get means dividend. So according to question, 12 by 100 into X is equal to rupees 9. So X is equal to then 9 into 100 by 12. 325 75. So this is answer. We can also find out by finding nominal value of 75 shares. This and what will be the dividend, because the dividend on one share is 9, so dividend on 75 share will be 75 into 9, that total dividend. And we will suppose then total investment is X, so we will find 12% of X is equal to that total dividend, and by we will, in this way we will get total investment, and if we will divide total investment divided by 75, so we will get the same answer, this 75. So by that method also we can find out the value. Now see question number 2. Question: by purchasing rupees 25 gas shares for rupees 40, means nominal value is equal to rupees 25. market value is rupees 40. A man gets a 4% profit on his investment. 4% profit means investment. So investment, suppose he had bought one share. So market value is 40. So profit is profit on, yeah, dividend on one share is equal to 4%, means 4 by 100 into 40, means rupees 1.60. So the dividend on one share is this. So what rate percent is the company paying? So what is company paying for this? So rate will be then 1.60 divided by 25. Nominal value is 25, so 25 into 100. So 6.4% is rate. And another question is, what is the dividend if we buy 60 shares? So dividend on 60 share, dividend on dividend on 60 shares. On one share, dividend is 1.6, so 61.6 is equal to then rupees 96. This is answer, and this is also answer. I hope you must have understood this solution today up to here. We will meet in the next session with the next question. Till then, take care. Thank you.